Welcome to ManuPharma 2018. It's all about people. Let's share our experiences. Let's share our progress, our successes, our dreams, but also the barriers and the failures.
So this is one of the most exciting times to be involved in the pharmaceutical industry, partly because we're all going through a digital transformation, new technology, new ways of working, and partly because the new therapies are coming along. We have to change the way we work, the way we operate, the way we communicate. Attending ManuPharma is a brilliant way of networking amongst our peers, so we can each see where we're going. Same problems, different solutions.